So for this portion of the lesson, you're going to create a folder in your Google Drive. You're going to rename it Writing Notebook. You're going to move the Passion document that we did Monday into that folder so that we stay organized, or at least start the year organized. Create a new document inside the folder, and we're going to rename it Goals, first 9 weeks. So using a numbered list, we're going to create you will create 3 to 5 goals for the first 9 weeks. No need to save it since it automatically saves for you. Woohoo! And finally, you're going to share the folder with your English language arts teacher. So I'm going to show you quickly how we do this. So from your Google Drive, after you've logged in using .net, not .org, you're going to notice that you have folders right here. The first folder you'll have is Classroom. That's where you will have all of your classroom stuff in, but I don't like using that one. So I'm going to click on New Folder. Really simple. We're going to rename it Writing Notebook. Then we're going to click Create. You'll notice the folder pops down here. So I'm going to go ahead and notice my Passion document is right there. So I'm just going to click, drag, drop. Bam. I'm starting my year off organized. Inside the Writing Notebook folder, you're going to click on New, Google Docs. I like to name my documents, otherwise they're always untitled document, and then I have no idea what I have. So I'm just simply going to click in there, highlight it. This one is going to be first 9 week goals. Now I wanted you to use a numbered list. I don't care if you change the font, the size, or anything like that. Please don't make it a font that I can't read or a size that I can't read. But to turn on a numbered list is so simple. You come over here and you click on Numbered List. So you would type in your goals for the first 9 weeks. So my first goal is to survive online, or so should I say virtual learning. Now, if you notice, when I come to the end of the sentence, I'm going to use a period, and then I'm going to press Enter, and my number starts again. So you're going to do 3 to 5 goals. Now, once you have that done, you can exit out of it, and you'll notice you now have 2 files in your writing notebook. From that moment, I do want you to share this folder with your teacher. So you're going to simply come up here and you're going to right click on it and you're going to say share. Pretty simple, huh? At this moment, then you're going to simply add the people that you would like to share it with. So you would type in your teacher's email address. I'm Mrs. McGree, so I'm only going to show you my example. However, you can find your teacher's email address everywhere. So I'm going to type smcgree@acisd.org. Press Enter, click Send, and you have completed this portion of the lesson.